Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna open packs and exchanges. Let's start with 196 to 105. It's been a good day so far in FC Mobile wise. I packed 105 $500 in my second account. Sorry for giving away tradable players, but I don't have any untradeable good players to give because the players I have, I'm just saving them for collection. Okay, only the crouch, I mean. Varash, Araha, sorry. Let's go. Please, yeah, something good so I can get good amount of tokens. In this event, I'm looking for a right back and left back. Center back, I think I can fill that in team of the year. And for center mid, I think I'm gonna go for David Beckham after a month because I need it. Need a month. King, I think. Yeah, King. And Roldan. Let's do the limited exchange. I'm sorry, De Bruyne, I'm just giving you. But you're just useless. Please, yeah, please give me something good. Don't be king. No way. No way. It's been a L day in this video so far. But all could change here as I'm gonna open the two daily bundle. The Winter Wonders one and the Thunderstruck one. This is the bundle, the daily bundle I packed. Fernando Torres. This card in my second account. I wish I recorded. Look at the players we could get. Hopefully another Fernando Torres. That would be sick. I don't think that's gonna happen. I really don't think that's gonna happen. But imagine that happening. That would be crazy good. I'm gonna lie. Also, rate the new league feature in the comments. I really love it. Although I haven't tried it, but that system looks really nice. Don't be weird. Okay, guys, so I think Fernando Torres was the best that I got. And also, guys, if you haven't seen this but in the league exchanges, you can get a 105 Eto. Anyways, let's end this video with this. With a bang. Sarginho, Nesta, Costa, Mbappe, Doku, and others. Hopefully, an Mbappe Nesta would be just killing off. Let's see the walkout. I'm sure the walkout is so nice. Wait and see. The walkout is so nice. Look at this. Wow. Oh no, Alvaro Garcia. Why? There's lots of good options, and I had to back Alvaro Garcia. Anyways, this is it for this video. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye.